Varying behavioral attitudes and correlates of HPV infection among young adolescents in Benue State, Nigeria, a cross-sectional study. By Evelyn Erdu Oria, Kayode Khalid Ballo, Sydney Sampson, Esther Avji Envaladu and Hilary I. Okagbu. Aim: this study aims to assess the knowledge of HPV infection and the practice of primary prevention, the willingness of HPV uptake, and attitudinal differences and correlates among randomly sampled secondary school students across the 3 senatorial districts of Benue State, Nigeria. Background: human papillomavirus (HPV) infection is a significant public health concern globally, especially in low and middle-income countries. It is one of the most prevalent sexually transmitted infections, STIs. In Africa, including Nigeria, HPV prevalence is high, contributing to a substantial burden of cervical cancer. Despite challenges, massive HPV vaccination campaigns in Africa show promise for preventing cervical cancer cases. In Benue State, Nigeria, limited research exists on several aspects of HPV knowledge and attitudes towards HPV among secondary school students. Methods: the cross-sectional study was conducted among adolescents aged 10 to 19 years in 6 secondary schools in 3 local government areas, LGAs, in Benue State, Nigeria. 2-stage sampling was used to select the LGAs and schools, with a final sample size of 591 students. Within these schools, students were recruited using simple random sampling, which gives every student an equal chance of being selected, ensuring fair representation. The selected schools represent both junior and senior secondary school levels and span across the 3 senatorial districts of the state. Data were collected using a self-administered questionnaire covering socio-demographic characteristics, HPV knowledge, prevention practices, and willingness for HPV vaccination. Statistical analysis included univariate analysis and tests of association, with significance set at p less than 0.05 or 0.001 depending on the level of the stringency of the evidence required. Data were analyzed using SPSS version 25. Results: this study found a statistically significant median difference in the perceived knowledge that HPV infection is a sexually transmitted infection, STI, based on age. Only 35.4% of the participants were males, and 86.8% were between the ages of 10 and 16. Only 24.7% acknowledged that HPV can be transmitted during sexual intercourse, and 36.2% recognized that HPV can be transmitted via skin-to-skin contact. In the survey, 48.1% noted that HPV can cause cervical cancer. Around half, 50.9%, acknowledged that early sexual debut increases the risk of acquiring HPV, while only 28.1% recognized vaccination as a preventive strategy against HPV infection. Only 35% correctly stated the best time for the HPV vaccine. In assessing the practice of HPV prevention, 14.9% are in a sexual relationship and 10.3% admitted to not using condoms during sexual intercourse. Also, 11.8% have had STIs, and 27.2% have previously undergone HIV screening. Various bivariate analyses showed some varying behavioral differences and correlates of HPV infection among young adolescents in Benue State, Nigeria. Conclusions: this study provides valuable insights into HPV knowledge, prevention practices, and willingness to uptake HPV vaccination among secondary school students in Benue State, Nigeria. The significance of the differences and correlates was discussed using themes. The research has unpacked complex relationships that could have public health implications for researchers and policymakers. Moreover, 10 actionable policy recommendations were prescribed. Several interventions and areas for further study were proposed. The study also recommended that public health campaigns can leverage existing infrastructure, and healthcare providers can play a key role in raising HPV awareness. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.